Today we are going camping.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
Trying to pack my stuff now while I'm working. I'll show you guys my bag. Ta-da! Honestly, this is how big my school bag used to be.
I really filled up.
What do you think, guys? Do I look like a camper?
Oh, yours is so light.
11 kilos!
Yeah.
That is not so light.
Yeah, yours is so light.
That's more than 20% of my body weight.
Mine's 12.9.
Bro, mine is way heavier than yours.
Whatever this is.
Jackie says you guys can only borrow. Alright. Shout out to Jackie.
So we got the car. It's not a 7-seater as promised, but it's a nice car. But we're gonna head off, pick up the cooler, go grocery shopping, pick up Cyrus and Drew, and then go to the campsite. And it's gonna be so dark.
What's up?
Yeah!
Are you guys going to Brooklyn or are you going north?
North. Oh, west.
No, we're going into Food Bazaar.
Oh, perfect.
Why? Where you guys go?
Could you drop us off at the train station?
Quick, hop in!
Knows your dark history.
Essential.
Well, watch. This is what the people want to see. Look, those sandwich and meals. I don't think we have a McCrispy.
Whoa.
Back,
Don't get a large.
Yeah, we'll just get a medium.
Medium. Alright. That's American Macca's, guys. And they actually call it McDonald's here. Okay, this is what the nuggets look like, guys. Whoa, they're like extra crispy here. Okay, this is actually my first time trying nuggets in the US.
No, it's good.
You know what? This is what it tastes like in the Philippines. No, this is what it tastes like in the Philippines. This is exactly what it tasted like growing up. But why does it taste so different in Australia?
Wait, what the hell is this?
Authentic chicken.
Roger that. Any hostels in the area?
No hostile sighted, but stay frosted. Can you confirm ETA over?
Unfortunately, huge insurgent hostile presence here. We are going to be delayed due to combat reasons. Over.
Roger that. Godspeed, Mega Dino. It's over now.
It's the bush, if you guys can't see.
Are you ready?
We found him!
Are you ready?
Oh, stop!
Where are we going? Seriously.
I'm gonna get the fire
Welcome
started.
to the campsite. Alright, here's the fire situation. It's quite nice.
Oh, let me show them this.
Okay.
I'm trying out this new fire starter. I bought it from REI. It was like $3, so I am skipped. Yeah, we'll easily fit.
Wow! Dinner. We are making noodles.
Awesome.
That's so cute.
How's it? Is it good? Because it tastes like because you're next to a fire. It's even better tasting.
You good?
Good?
Wow.
want to hook sides?
That's awesome. The saplings!
The saplings came through, right? But then it.
So the contraption is fire here,
Anywhere really.
and then this
Alright,
grill
there wasn't
hanging
a designated spot.
with the saplings
No,
up
nature's
top.
kindling.
Like a tripod. Okay, children, for
Yeah,
educational purposes, splay the rope out like this. Look at us.
That's Harry. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
Harry.
It's a puffy boy.
Yeah, that's a lad.
Okay, okay.
You gotta use all the tools.
The $1,200 that's been spent at REI. Gotta make use of all of it.
Listen, we're just lads who came out into the wilderness and survived on our own with only a couple $1,000s of equipment.
Yeah.
Take 3.
Whoa! Just like that!
Oh, good job, Akio.
Beautiful. Will it work?
Yeah.
Great.
Look at that. We need another stick. Good morning. We kind of just woke up. I woke up a few hours earlier as per usual. We're going to figure out how we can make breakfast.
It's raining.
It's like pouring at the moment.
Brushing your teeth makes you feel 10 times better.
Oh my gosh. Tarik. Oh, so
Whoa.
It literally gets my friend.
Look at this girl's hair. She has a full ass hood and she doesn't even use it.
So I have my hair. Look, ready?
What?
Secret compartment hairbrush.
Oh! That's what you have. That's the essential. We don't need a hatchet. No. You just need a hairbrush. We tried to start a fire and it just took way too long. We literally started what time? Starting the fire. 10:30. And it's now...
No, she did a great job.
What
But
time is it?
it just took a long time to maintain it.
It's almost 3 o'clock.
We're at lunch now.
And honestly, oh, thank you. Like, we made a few meals with it. Everyone had pancakes on the go. What else did we have, guys? Egg and cheese, sandwiches, and then...
I think that's it.
Oh yeah, that's literally it. From 10:30 till 3 o'clock. Anyway, we've given up on the fire and now we're sitting under this and eating instant food. Sir, can you tell me more about your hiking boots?
Oh well, they're actually great. They're waterproof.
And the gold is essential.
Yes, the gold is essential. It scares away the bears. You know, they see it and they get it.
Bye.
See you later, bro.
Peace. Bye, bear.
See ya.
Thank you.
So right now, hands up and I will hold my breath.
Wow, a lot of embers going
Alright,
her
here
way.
we go. Dun, 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 dun. These goggles.
Wow.
We are here in the wild and we've just hunted for these potatoes.
Yes.
Orange.
Potatoes never had a fucking shot. We're faster, we're stronger, we're smarter. We've got garlic butter sauce in here. So we're gonna pop these open, throw in the sauce,
Sheesh.
add some bacon, add some cheddar, throw them in some foil, throw them in the fire.
Straight in there. Amazing. But look at this technique.
It's all about the bacon.
It's not his first rodeo.
No, literally.
Potatoes have been baked previously.
And he's gonna wrap that up. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
with intention.
With
Throw it right in the
intention,
fire.
precision, purpose.
I feel like we have more food than when we have 8 people here.
Literally.
We were waiting. We didn't want to fucking share. Like, have a
Yeah,
good
they're
trip,
fucking
guys. We're gonna be roughing it here. Get the potatoes. They're gone.
Leanne, how you doing?
Good.
You look like you're about to.
Goggles worth this every penny.
Yeah, I really like the extra crispy.
You're right, the crunchiness. Wife of Ozzy Osbourne, the rock legend from Black Sabbath.
I know.
Sharon.
Carrie.
I'm going with Sharon.
B, C.
No, no
Damn.
multiple choice.
I'm not sure if I actually know the answer, but I'm going with Sharon.
Sharon? Anyone?
I'm going Carrie.
Okay, I'm going with
I go Elizabeth.
Sarah.
I think it might be Sharon.
Okay, let's go. Sharon.
Yeah.
Oh!
Wow, so
What? How did you get that?
He knows.
Who directed the Godfather films?
Oh, come on, Joshua.
Yeah, it's Coppola, I believe.
Christopher Nolan.
Wait.
Wes Anderson.
I thought you were reading the card. I'm like, that's it. I'm going to the manufacturer.